Avoid overpacking. Travel smart and light. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to unravel the concept of avoid overpacking. This phrase is not just about packing a suitcase. It's about making your travel smoother and more enjoyable. So, if you're planning a trip or just curious about this common advice, stay tuned. Overpacking refers to the habit of stuffing your luggage with more items than necessary. It might seem like a good idea to prepare for every possible scenario, but overpacking can lead to unwanted stress and extra baggage fees. The phrase, avoid overpacking, is a reminder to pack only what you truly need, ensuring a lighter and more manageable suitcase. Overpacking may seem harmless, but it has several drawbacks. Increased baggage fees. Airlines often charge for heavy or multiple pieces of luggage. Reduced mobility. A heavy suitcase can be hard to maneuver, especially in crowded places. Extra stress. More items mean more things to keep track of, increasing the risk of losing something important. Understanding these consequences helps highlight the importance of packing light. 1. Make a list. Before you start packing, create a list of essentials. Stick to this list to avoid adding unnecessary items. 2. Choose versatile clothing. Opt for clothes that can be mixed and matched or worn in different settings. 3. Limit toiletries. Pack travel-sized containers and only take what you'll use. 4. Use packing organizers. These can help you compartmentalize your items and prevent overpacking. Not overpacking can significantly enhance your travel experience. Ease of movement. A lighter suitcase makes moving around more convenient. Fewer worries. With fewer items to keep track of, you reduce the risk of losing something. Flexibility. Having space in your suitcase allows you to bring back souvenirs or items from your travels. We hope this video has shed light on the concept of avoid overpacking and why it's beneficial. Remember, traveling is not just about reaching a destination, it's about enjoying the journey. Packing light can make your journey more comfortable and hassle-free. Happy travels, and see you in the next video.